Here I have Renault Captur. Let me show you how to control the audio tones on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's use the music icon right here at the top. And then let's use this adjustment icon. This is the adjustment on the right side of the screen. Then select here the third option, which is tone control. And as you can see here, you can adjust the bass from -9 to +9 or put it in the middle. You can do the same with medium tones and treble. So as you can see, you can adjust all of those three tones and just choose the best value for you. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.